Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by separating fragile parts and securing a work area. Put on nitrile gloves and eye protection, then prepare a sealed plastic container with your chosen stripper. Use 1 part acetone for metal or hardened paint, or mix 1 part simple green for plastic and resin to avoid warping. Submerge only the parts you need to strip, not glued assemblies. Once done, set a timer for 30 to 60 minutes, because dwell time controls paint breakdown and prevents damage. After the initial soak, you inspect and agitate carefully to release loosened paint. Use a soft toothbrush or a soft brass brush to brush away flakes. The bristles reach recesses without gouging sculpted details. For miniature crevices, employ dental picks with gentle strokes. Pry at edges rather than scraping across surfaces. If paint resists, give another 15 to 30 minutes in fresh stripper because saturation and temperature affect efficacy. Make sure to rinse parts briefly in hot water to stop chemical action before detailed work. You finish by thoroughly rinsing in warm, soapy water to remove residues. For acetone use, neutralize with a baking soda rinse to prevent continued chemical attack. Dry parts with paper towels and let them air for several hours. Moisture can trap contaminants under primer. If you see scratches or etching, lightly sand with 400 to 1000 grit, fill gaps with modeling putty, and test prime a small area. If stubborn residue persists, repeat short 15 to 30 minute soaks, rather than.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.